Today we will see how to do regular maintenance on an iRobot Roomba 980. What we'll want to start by doing is flipping over the robot and then disconnecting and then reinstalling the side brush. This may take some turning and wiggling to get it in place. Next, get a small Phillips head screwdriver and screw in the side brush. Next, take out the old middle spinning brushes and then replace them with the new ones. Make sure the yellow part is facing right to the robot. Before we replace the HEPA filter, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. After this, flip over your Roomba, set it down gently, and then take out the dustbin. Open the cover and take out the old HEPA filter and replace it with the new one. Also, make sure that the HEPA filter's notch in the bottom is facing to the top of the robot. If you would like to see more of our videos, please visit our YouTube channel, Genesis Labs BC. Thank you for watching.